Yeah.
You don't jump on my couch. You don't jump on my couch. You don't do that. It's a no-no.
Don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Alright, what's really going on? Like that.
Say, I love you.
I love him.
You don't love me. Okay, you love me. You love me.
Did you know that the dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than it loves itself?
Why would you do that?
Say bitch ass nigga. Say it. Say it.